Here's our new travel ice box. We've already got it running. It's cooling down now. You plug it into any cigarette lighter in your car. Of course, nowadays cars have multiple. You got your power on button. When you power it on, you got your up or down for your temperature. Once you pick your temperature, you hit set. And then the lid, it's got an inside light on it. And it is definitely cooling down in here. Getting nice and cold. And you can set it on the armrest between the front two seats, but I think for our purposes, I think we're going to run it in the back. Our seats fold down, and the cord is plenty long enough to just let it sit in the back. And I think that's going to be a much better spot so it doesn't crowd us in the front seat. Looks like it's going to be a great little unit.
It's freezing.